So I'm representing now GeoEnergy expert group, and I would like to briefly show you let's say, our vision and the way we look forward. GeoEnergy contributes to the sustainable and secure, that's a second very important topic, energy transition in Europe. So first of all, of course, historically we had one large topic, fossil fuels. And you see how in the past decade it changed. Big geothermal, very often mentioned today and yesterday, now becomes into the focus. But it's not just geothermal alone, because storage and for the integration of other renewables, for sector coupling is one of the very important emerging topics. And so we are also addressing energy storage, heat cold, hydrogen. But of course, when we heard the presentation yesterday from DG Climate, CO2 storage, which is traditionally more than 10 years already in our working group, is a key topic. But you see here also fossil fuels are mentioned. It doesn't mean that we are still doing what we did 20 years ago, but it's very important to point out that the fossil fuels phasing out will be part of our transition strategy. It's not just because of security or resource assessment, it's moreover that it has an added value. Because all the data, the infrastructure from the fossil fuel industry, from the hydrocarbon industry, it will be reused again and feeds into the circle, helping to develop methods for appraisal of renewable and sustainable energy carriers. We understand our work as an interface, so on the one hand between academic and us as a geological survey, but on the other hand on the policy industrial stakeholders and international organizations, as I mentioned today with UNFC. And we see this as a loop. When we are interacting with universities, developing new methods which then are tested and feed into, let's say, on the national level and leading back for implementation, we feed into the society, especially industry, but also policy making with our advice, which in turn gives us data to reassess and re-evaluate our methods. And this is exactly what we would like to do when we look into the future in the CSA, the Geological Service for Europe. So we have three major columns. On the one hand, data, which are very important, but data, we have to understand that they should be decentralized because our members, our 37 members, they are the experts in the data. And we would like to create a hub, a harmonized hub on geoenergy. We complement where gaps are missing to produce pan-European maps on geothermal, on storage, and what is also very important, not just data, is also the network, the competence behind. So we would like to further capitalize the knowledge inside this group and interlink with other relevant international and European organizations as shown in my previous slides. So thank you for your attention.